Hello guys, my name is Kenny at Programming House. Today we'll be looking at keylogger script. So let's say you want to log all keyboard buttons that are pressed into file. This is script. That's a script that we'll be creating today. So before you start, I will assume that you have Python 3 installed and you have Pynput module installed. Pip install Pynput. Mine is already installed, so I will clear the terminal. So let's say you want every button in the keyboard that's being pressed to be logged into a file. So this is a script. So we'll import two modules. First one is logging. Then the second one will have from pynput.keyboard import listener. So we'll have to configure our logging, but they have a full tutorial on logging. I will leave it in the description below. So we'll have the format is just have the message. Then we'll have level is login. The level is login dot message debug. Then now we'll define function that will be called every time a button is pressed. Then we'll pass the key. Then here we'll have logging.info. Then we'll pass string. And now the key that's being logged. So using the with context, we'll have with listener on press is equals to key press is listener. Then we'll call listener.join. So that is it, guys. No, then here we have to define the file. So file, let me define it here. File mode is equals to append. Then file name is equals to keystrokes. Keystrokes.txt. So if I'll run the file, Python 3 logged file, and we type something like my names, you will see that everything that I have just pressed into the keyboard will be dumped here. So this is it. Caps lock M, key caps lock Y, space, names, backspace. So that is it, everything, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.